Guys, what's up? So today we're top Jailbreak virus 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Substitute. It's substitute for code substitution. So it's just updated speed improvements and support for the Unc0ver iOS 14. So if you guys just quickly, Unc0ver is supposed to be coming out with an jailbreak for iOS 14. So this was updated to support that for when it does come out. This is called Emoji Port for iOS 12 to 14.4. It's the latest emojis for iOS 12 to 14.4. This is called Emoji Port iOS 6.0 to 8.2. Latest emojis for iOS 6 to 8.2. This is called Backtrits and Back Tap for quick actions. So this is iOS 14, but it's for iOS 13 jailbroken devices using this tweak. So basically, you tap the back of your phone and you perform different actions. This is called Neon Board and a fully featured lightweight theme engine for iOS 7 to 14. This is called Snowboard Respring Extension 1.07 Beta 3 Respring Icon Extension for Snowboard. This is called Lib Bulletins and library that displays bulletins. This is called Shark, the ultimate Facebook Messenger tweak. Disable marking messages, disable marking stories, disable typing status, save story images and videos. Also adds a layer of additional security to the Messenger app. This is called Zebra. It's a very basic package manager for jailbroken iOS devices. So, supports modern iOS versions and provides most features that Cydia does, while quickly notably quicker. So it's basically like a Cydia alternative. Next is called Felicity Pro. Felicity but Pro. So it's a theming that supports, includes Snowboard, iThemer, and Anatomy. Felicity Pro has been specifically built to be used with Snowboard, but any of the above should work. So it's a theme. This is called Secret Shot. Prevents Snapchat from detecting when you take screenshots or screen recordings. When enabled, users who snaps your screenshot or screen recorder will not be notified. Secret Shot does not hook Snapchat classes, meaning Snapchat will not detect any tweak injection, thus you will not be banned. This tweet is called Mkt Bypass. It bypasses Mario Kart Tour jailbreak detection. This tweet is called Simple Time. Modify the appearance of the lost screen date and time. This is called Colorful 5. Colors your music, matches the now planned UI to your album artwork, and adds an iOS 10 style music player on the lock screen. This is called Estafo Siri, adds an image to the Siri view. This is called Marker, a better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. So it's basically just like swipe selection, but it's an alternative to that. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. This is called Dyadic. Combine the Today page with the Control Center with new gestures. Open up the Control Center. This is called Kill Background 13. Supports iOS 13 and 14. And App Switcher card and swipe down to execute the Kill All Apps. This is called Air Pop-Up Connect. As a connect button to the AirPods. So, pretty cool. This is called Yobon Evolution, S Utilities in the Control Center. So you have all these features right here that are in the Control Center. They have access to. This is called Essential. Contains nothing, represents everything. Whatever that means. This is called Batchomatic. So install your tweets, repos, save.debs, tweet preferences, and host all at once, offline or online. Repack and install tweets to a .deb. As a respring or UI cache button to each package manager. A real time saver. So I guess you can back up, your tweets, repos, and all that stuff if you're moving to another jailbreak, or you just want to get rid of jailbreak and maybe jailbreak again in the near future. You also can create online .debs, create offline .debs, install .debs, repack tweet to .debs, remove all repos, remove all tweets, and respring. And the last tweet is actually a widget called New Morph Slim 2. Etsy HTML version 2 beta 7 widget with custom options. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.